Hey there, science fans! Have you ever wondered how your body stays healthy amidst a world teeming with microscopic invaders? You're walking around with an amazing defense force working tirelessly inside you, your very own immune system. This incredible system is your personal bodyguard, fighting off harmful germs and keeping you in tip-top shape. Think of your body as a bustling city. Just like any city needs a strong defense system to protect its citizens, your body relies on your immune system to keep you safe from harm. It's a complex and fascinating network of cells, tissues, and organs working together in perfect harmony. Without your immune system, even the smallest cut or a common cold could pose serious threats. But fear not, because your immune system is always on high alert, ready to tackle any challenge that comes its way. So let's dive in and explore this incredible world of your body's invisible army. Now let's meet the key players in this microscopic battleground. Your immune system is like an intricate web with different types of cells working together. First up, we have the white blood cells, the brave soldiers of your immune system. These remarkable cells patrol your bloodstream and tissues, always on the lookout for intruders. Then we have the lymph nodes, small bean-shaped organs stationed throughout your body. Think of them as security checkpoints, filtering out harmful substances and providing a meeting point for immune cells to strategize their attack. Next we have the spleen, a large organ located near your stomach. This hard-working organ filters your blood, stores white blood cells, and removes old or damaged red blood cells. And finally, let's not forget the bone marrow. This spongy tissue inside your bones is like a training academy for new immune cells, constantly producing reinforcements to keep your defenses strong. Just like a well-guarded fortress, your body has physical barriers to keep invaders at bay. This first line of defense is your skin and mucous membranes. Your skin, the largest organ in your body, acts like a tough protective wall, preventing germs from entering. It's covered in a layer of dead cells that constantly shed, carrying away any unwanted hitchhikers. Your mucous membranes, found in your nose, mouth, and other openings, are coated with a sticky substance called mucus. This mucus traps invaders, preventing them from reaching your internal organs. And don't forget about those tiny hairs in your nose. These little hairs, called cilia, act like tiny brooms, sweeping away mucus and trapped invaders. Section 4. The innate immune response. Ready for battle. If some sneaky invaders manage to bypass the first line of defense, the innate immune response is ready to spring into action. This rapid response system is your body's immediate reaction to infection or injury. One of the key players in the innate immune response is inflammation. When you get a cut or scrape, the area becomes red, swollen, and warm. This inflammation is a sign that your body is sending white blood cells and other helpful substances to the site of injury to fight off invaders and start the healing process. Another important component is fever. When your body temperature rises, it creates an environment that's less hospitable to invaders. These innate immune responses are like your body's first responders, quickly neutralizing threats and preventing the spread of infection. Section 5. The adaptive immune response. Learning and remembering the enemy. Now, let's talk about the adaptive immune response, the special forces of your immune system. This sophisticated system is all about recognizing specific invaders and mounting a targeted attack. Enter the T cells and B cells, the superheroes of the adaptive immune response. T cells are like skilled assassins, directly attacking and destroying infected cells. B cells, on the other hand, are like antibody factories. They produce special proteins called antibodies that latch onto specific invaders, marking them for destruction by other immune cells. The amazing thing about the adaptive immune response is its ability to remember past invaders. Once your body encounters a specific germ, it creates a memory of it, allowing for a faster and more effective response upon re-exposure. It's like having your very own immune system library, storing information on all the invaders it has encountered.